Quick, stay in the middle where it can't reach you. I was about to set up a trap for that thing, but now we gotta get you out. Actually, we can do both. You're surrounded by an electricity trap, but they need a lot of power. Big batteries scattered in the tents in the corners. Have something do as much noise as possible, and then make a run for it while it is distracted. Bird up. Now, head to the big fence. All that area becomes should be out of its reach. I don't think it'll fall for the same trick twice, but you still need the other battery. Try and distract it differently, even if slightly.